Today we're doing the Zagg Folio Pro keyboard. If you can see, it's got a nice outer shell. It's got all your holes cut out for the ports, camera, your switches, your microphones, your plug-in port in the bottom. It's got your on-off switch on the side for the keyboard. It's got your sync, Bluetooth sync button, and your charging port for the keyboard. It's got a soft leather feel to it and rubber outside edges. Should be able to protect it pretty good. As you can see, when it opens, it's got the magnetic lock and unlock. It's made of good sturdy plastic. You can access your switches real easy. When you turn it on, it lights up to let you know that it's active. I already have this synced up to Bluetooth. The good thing about this is it's got the key features that's missing on most keyboards, especially with the stock keyboard that comes with the iPad. You can see it's got a home button, lets you go cycle through your home and through your tabs, your open pages. I can access Siri through the keyboard. Works very well. Microphone picks up really good. You can turn it on and off. Has a lock and unlock feature on the pad. If you notice, the sides are slotted. Lets the speakers actually project the sound out to the front, which makes for a lot clearer sound. Works really well. It's probably one of the best features on it. Is it makes the sound a lot more clear and crisper coming out of the iPad. The key functions is very easy to touch, very soft touch keypads. You can change the text, you can change the color, you can backspace. Has a lot of the arrow keys that's missing on most typewriters and keyboards. It has the arrow keys to move back and forth instead of using your finger to try to zoom in and out. Has a copy and paste feature on the keyboard, so you can select your text and hit copy, and it'll copy it to your clipboard. Hit paste, and it'll reset it wherever your cursor seems to be. Easy function, easy to use. You use a keyboard button to bring up the stock keyboard or to undo it. Use the Zagg Keyboard. You can change your text color, fonts. Very easy to access, very easy to use. Just love the way it works. Very smooth operation. One of the best keyboards I've used. You can control the volume. You can control the radio, the iTunes. It's got a fast forward, rewind, play, and pause on it. Mute button. Very good to use. Use the home keys to clear everything out. And if you notice, it's got a light switch. It's got a nice backlight feature on the keys. It says 3 settings: low, medium, and bright. And if you push and hold it and then use the arrow keys, you can change the colors to purple, blue, light blue, green, yellow, red, and back to white. And cycles through pretty easy. You have 3 intensities on each of those colors. Being low, medium, and bright. It also has a battery function key, lets you know if your battery's charged. It's supposed to give you up to 3 months of battery charge with this keyboard. Folds up nice and smooth. It's not very heavy, and it also has the auto lock when you close the lid. It's very good keyboard. Seems to be very sturdy. Installation and removal of the iPad is very easy. Snaps in, holds it good and tight, comes out really easy, one hand. Put it back in, locks, snaps into place, holds it very well. Close it, auto lock. You turn your keyboard off. It also has an auto time feature that will shut it off after 5 minutes of non-use. Very good keyboard. Love it.